All right, guys, I just showed you over here the left side of the pavilion, and so now here's this big section that was a toy area before, but now we're going to start with the front row of tables where Sarah is. Those are the tabletop swings. Behind her are the tabletop high chairs. So those are all the tabletop things right here in the front. They're going to be very pretty, but anything tabletop swing or high chair will be on these tables. And then right before the tables, right here in this open section is where we're going to have the walkers, okay? And then walkers underneath of all of these tables as well. So again, tabletop swings, tabletop high chairs, but before that we have all the walkers, and then walkers will go underneath these tables right here. Good. All right, so then this whole big empty section right here, I'll let Sarah call those out.
So this used to be kind of over closer to where the former big ticket pickup was, but now it's kind of in the middle where the toys were. So we've got high chairs first, so tabletop high chairs back here behind, and then full-size high chairs all down through here. And then it goes to bassinets and portable cribs.
All down that section.
Down this way.
Good. So again, you can start VIP people when you're dropping off. Start right here, and then so people can see how to go down this way. Good. Awesome.
Pack and Play's up next from this direction.
And the next one back.
Yes.
So you guys know we get lots of pack and play, so that whole section will be pack and plays. And then
we'll move to strollers. So we've got enough for 2 to 3 rows of strollers along here.
Because again, you guys know we get a bunch.
Okay, so you see here, it's got some directional arrows. So tricycles are going to go this direction. Train tables are going to go this direction. So tricycles to your left, train tables to your right.
Perfect. And then we'll move on to outdoor ride-ons and ride-on horses, the ones that go outside. Now, if they're softer, I think will go inside. Pretty sure about that in my room. But the outdoor ones, of course, are going to be right down here.
And then we come to furniture. It's kind of in the same general area as it was last time. So any of your camp and folding chairs, the hard, not cloth or soft chairs, toy chests, desks, that type of stuff.
Perfect. And so on the chairs, like Sarah said, those are the hard ones. Any soft chair or pottery barn chair is going to go in my room inside.
This one here, it's telling you we're going to have slides, like the little tyke slides, play school slides going this way to your left. And then the larger outdoor play yards that, you picture it like the ball fields and stuff. And then those heavy tent swings that are on those big metal poles, those will go to your right.
Perfect. And sometimes on those slides, those are also the train slides, that have the long...
like the little coaster things.
Yeah, the coaster things. Yeah, that's perfect.
And then over here, we've got a section for trampolines, the little mini tramps, and then dressers and chests, that type of furniture to your right.
And again, that's pretty similar to what we've had before. All right, I'm going to close and we'll do another row.